Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. They call it a chat room operator, but you're not doing like the traditional website chats. You have an AI bot that's helping fill in some of the responses, and so you're just going to kind of be helping the AI bot add to those responses. So it's more of typing in extra responses to what is already auto-generated for you. We're going to dive all into it. Just know the links to all the pages I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you like job leads like this, I just ask that you please give this video a thumbs up like button and share with all your friends and family. Today's job lead is from the company Drips. Now, Drips has 28 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. Again, they're hiring a chat room operator. This is a part-time remote work from home. One thing I want to quickly say about this is pay is on the lower end. They're looking for somebody to work about 28 hours a week. They're paying about $10.10 an hour, but they have multiple shifts available. So this is something that is going to be like a side hustle, side gig, just to make a little bit of extra money, about 280 bucks a week. If you're planning for a vacation and you're trying to save up some money for that. Christmas is coming up in a few months. This is just kind of like extra side money. This is not going to be a job that you can fully support yourself off of. But with that being said, they're looking for somebody to work from home, expanding the conversion improvement team. You're going to hold millions of automated conversations for their clients through their artificial intelligence. You're going to be training this artificial intelligence with a humanized natural language. So maybe a user says can't now work in, and that would be categorized and handled by clicking the I'm at work button. So they're going to give you different responses on the screen, and you're going to click which one would be best appropriate. So the AI generator is going to try to come up with the solutions, and you're trying to train the AI generator what solution they come up with would be best used. You are going to have to handle these responses with a 95% accuracy rate, and you'll be randomly audited and your quality measured on your responses. Now, good thing about this, they are going to completely train you. Training is going to be conducted through Zoom, so you will need audio and video for the training. Again, pay is $10.10 an hour. This is a part-time job. They have multiple shifts available. They have a 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Of course, if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see what that works out to you. But pretty much from 2 in the afternoon all the way till midnight, they have hours in between that. So you should be able to find something that works for you. You'll have to quickly and accurately respond to those inbound messages through their chat room, adding relevance to those canned responses like we discussed. They're looking for somebody who has great attention to detail, someone who is comfortable on a computer, and who is good at using those emojis. Of course, you have to have good grammar and spelling skills, and this is remote for the United States only. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Again, please give this video a thumbs up like button if you haven't already, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.